People are so stupid. Can you believe that they don't know what my business does? Have you told them? Well...
I'm Carolyn, owner of Bad Axe Enterprises, and this is a Marketing Minute.
Woo! You can't blame your customer for what they don't know because you didn't tell them. But you can educate them. There's tons of high-value marketing content that can be developed around your frequently asked questions and things that you are tired of explaining to people. Whenever people are asking what you consider to be foolish questions about your brand, assess whether you've addressed those over and over and over on your website, on your social media content. Are the answers accessible to people? Think about that before you get frustrated with being on repeat explaining yourself, and then start thinking of ways to incorporate the answers to those questions into your content in the future.
You know what to do next.